In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign up for Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll have a brand new email account ready to use, and you'll understand exactly what each part of the sign up process means. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to Zoho's official website by typing zoho.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official site, not an ad or a third-party page. You should see the Zoho logo and a range of products and services listed on the home page. Once the site has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you'll find an option that says Sign Up. This is the link you'll use to create your new Zoho account, which will include Zoho Mail. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. If you're on a smaller screen, like a phone, this option might be inside a menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines. Tap that first, then choose Sign Up. You'll now be taken to the registration page. Here, Zoho will ask you for some basic information to create your account. The most important fields you'll see at this stage are for your email address and your password. Start by entering the email address you want to associate with this Zoho account. In many cases, this can be a non-Zoho email that you already use, like a personal or work address, which Zoho will use for account verification and recovery. Type it carefully and double check for typos, because this is the address Zoho may use to send you confirmation or security messages. Next, create a strong password for your new Zoho account. A good password is one that you don't use anywhere else, and that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Take an extra moment here to choose something secure but memorable, or use a password manager to generate and store it for you. Enter the password in the password field, and if there's an option to show or hide the characters, you can use that to verify you've typed it correctly. Below the email and password fields, you'll see a checkbox that says you agree to Zoho's terms of service and privacy policy. Before you check this box, it's a good idea to click the links and at least skim the main points so you know how your data will be used and what rules apply to your account. Once you're comfortable with that, come back to the sign up form and click the checkbox to indicate that you agree. When your email and password are filled in and the terms box is checked, you're ready for the final step. Look for the button that says sign up for free. This confirms that you're creating a new Zoho account at no cost. Click on Sign Up for Free. After you click, Zoho may ask you to complete a quick verification step, such as confirming your email address by clicking a link they send you. Just follow any on-screen prompts until you see that your account has been created successfully. That's all it takes. You've now gone through the full process of signing up for Zoho Mail, from opening the website to creating your new account.